Thanks for joining me. Well, today's the day we resurrect the CityBug. Let's go and have a look, see if we can find it. Oh my word, you won't believe this. The CityBug, the 107, has been stuck down the bottom of the garden for over a year. Haven't moved it, haven't started it, haven't touched it. This is since we went to Silverstone Trax in 2021. And there it is. Oh, look at that. When we went to Trax 2021 with the CityBug Club, blew the gearbox. So first gear is just non-existent now. Needs a new box in it. We're going to have to do that. We'll get it changed over, get it sorted. It's going to be put back on the road. Come and have a look at this. It's a bit messy. Oh my word. Oh, it's not looking good. Better take the plates off it. We swapped the plates over. We got, oh, look at it. It's all a bit rusty and cobwebby. Oh, oh no. Oh, look at the brake discs. They were new brake discs on it. They've got all rusty. Oh dear, we've got the cobwebs have landed. It's I've had to strim around cutting the grass. It's got sprayed, and yes, it's a bit of a mess. It's a bit of a mess. Let's try and get the door open and have a look inside. Oh, it's locked, so the battery's dead. Let's see if we can get it open. Let's have a look. Oh, hello. Oh, it's not good. It's a bit manky in here. Oh look, there's the Trax 2021. Seats have gone a bit mouldy. Oh, it's yes, it's a bit messy. Still got the magazine in the back, look. But like I say, we're going to bring it back to life. We're going to revive it, get it back on the road. Dash cams fell off and everything. Oh, this is going to be totally dead. Not a dicky bird. Let's pull the bonnet, hopefully that'll open. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I don't know, it's just a bit wet under there, but it don't look too bad. Oh, look at that. Let's get some jump leads on it, get it started. What do you reckon, is it going to go? Got ignition lights. Oh, what a beast. How reliable is that? It's been sat for all that time, and first flick of the key, it's up and running. Let's see if it moves, see if we can get it up the garden. Now for the fun bit, we've got to try and get it in gear. Like I say, the gearbox is really struggling getting into first gear. We can get it into reverse and second and stuff like that, but first gear going in is it's non-existent. We really have to ram it. Yeah, rev it up. Let's just clear it out of it first. Get that windscreen clip. Ooh. That's reverse. We've got reverse. Oh, we're in a divot. We're stuck. We're stuck in a divot. We're stuck in a divot. Oh, there we go. Can we get first? Oh. Oh. Come on. Yeah, here we go. We're in. I don't think we'll get all the way around this idiot. Get around this garden in one hit. I think I might have to do a little bit of a shimmy, but see how brave we are. No, I think the tree's in the way. Oh, probably do it as a push, but we don't want to scuff it up on the tree, so the only trouble is that means we've got to get it back in first gear again. Here we go. Moment to truth. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. God, he thinks he's Ken Block. That's how you blew the gearbox in the first place. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, it's not done my grass any good. Do you want to see something really disgusting? The gear knob has gone all slimy and it's all stuck to my hand. Oh, it's got like a greasy gear. Ugh, look at that. Oh, it's sticky and horrible. That's disgusting. Ugh. What a tip. Let's start cleaning it up. Oh, mobile dog wash. I'm sure she'll forgive me later. Just give it a quick once over with the pressure washer there, get rid of the algae and all the leaves, the cobwebs and all that, and then we'll get a sponge on it. Oh, it looks better already, doesn't it? Just give it a good wash and polish and all that, and see what it looks like. The test of time, it don't look too bad. It's not too bad. We haven't got too many marks on it. The wheels are scrubbed up, not too bad. Got rid of all the cobwebs. Quick run over with the fibre cloth there, dry it off. Cracking bit of kit they are. Get the battery charged up. Ooh, nasty. Let's see what we can do with that. Ooh, and the gear knob. Nobody likes a sticky knob. We've got some brisk here. We'll get that a squirt. Get it onto the seats. That's Auto Glym Brisk. Good stuff. Just to give it a go before we wash it with the. This is a little Bizzle spot cleaner. Give this a good work in. Rub it in. And this should get rid of all that mould and some of the dirty bits that are on there. Quick going over the carpet as well. While we're here, why not? And to be fair, the carpets are bone dry, no water leaks. How amazing is that? Whip these number plates back on again. Almost looks like a car again. Oh, good as new. Well, not quite, but it'll do, it'll do. At least I'm not going to sit in it and get mouldy pants. Looks really tidy though, pleased with that. So the window screen's a bit of a pain. Somebody, mentioning no names, has been playing golf in the garden and been whacking golf balls over, and one of them's come down, dented the roof, another one's hit just here, and then another one has pinged the bloody window screen and shattered it. Now this screen was only replaced 18 months ago, something like that. It's hardly had any use at all. But we're going to need to put another one in it. Been hunting around, I can get one for 170 quid fitted, so ooh. It's a shame, it's got to be done though. I do love this little car and I can't wait to get it back on the road. Just got those few little jobs to sort out: the window screen, the gearbox, which I've got a few videos already on gearboxes and clutches replacing them if you want to check those in the back catalogue. The exhaust has got a little bit of a blow on it on this one. We'll get those bits and bobs all sorted out. Do a few more videos over the next couple of months. We'll get 12 months MOT on it. Back on the road. I can't wait. If you enjoyed the video, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.